right, good morning, friends. Happy first day of school. We are going to do a little bitty calendar routine from home. So first we're going to start off with the days of the week. And in our class, we always do a days of the week song. But I'm going to teach you a new days of the week song today. And I know Mrs. McClure doesn't have the most beautiful singing voice right now, but that's okay. So we're going to sing the days of the week song. I'm going to sing it, and then I want to see if you can sing it with me. You ready? Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Let's try that together. Ready? Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Very, very good. How many days are there in a week? Let's go ahead and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many days are there in the week? If you said 7, then you are right. There are 7 days in the week. Very good. Oops. This is not the right thing. Sorry about that, friends. I messed up. Okay, we did our days of the week. Now we're going to move on to the months of the year. So the days of the week are the days that we have in a week, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then we have the months of the year. And so I have a little song and a little dance, which I will show you the dance another time. But I do have a song to help us remember the months of the year. So go ahead and put your listening ears on and listen. You ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Very good. Go ahead and let's try to see if you can sing that with me. We're going to go slow. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Awesome. How many months are there in a year? Can you count? Can you look on the screen and can you count how many months there are in the year? I'll let you count. If you said 12 months, then you are correct. Go ahead and give yourself a big old kiss on the brain. Go, mwah, I'm smart. There are 12 months in a year, so let's count it. January, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome sauce. 12 months in the year. All right, let's go ahead and let's take a look at our calendar. So for when we do calendar, we look at what the day is. We also look at what yesterday was, what tomorrow will be, and then we're going to look at how many days there are in the month that we're in, and we're going to figure out what month are we in, okay? So let's go ahead and let's figure out what today is. So right here it says today is, what day of the week is missing? Remember, there's Sunday and there's Monday. There's, what's missing here? If you said Tuesday, you are correct. Today is Tuesday. Awesome. What was yesterday? If today was Tuesday, what day comes before Tuesday in front of? There's Sunday and there's Monday. Good. If you said Monday, then you are correct. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. What will tomorrow be? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. If you said Wednesday, then you are correct. So today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Awesome. Now let's take a look at the month. So the month that we are in, remember we have our months over here on the side. We just sang the month song. But the month that we are currently in is September. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at September. September. So how many days are in the month of September? So here's our calendar here. So if you're taking a look at it, you're going to see that all of these days are numbered. So here's our days of the weeks up here at the top. And we have all of these numbers here. How many days do you think are in the month of September, just from looking at this calendar? If you know your numbers pretty well and you said 30, you are correct. There are 30 days in the month of September. So I put these apples on here to count how many days we are already in the month of September. And today is September 8th. So go ahead and repeat that after me. We're going to say today. So you say it. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. So 2020 is the year. So let's count how many days we've been in the month of September. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have been in September for 8 days because today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. Very, very good. How many days have we been in school? Can you think how many days we've been in school? We have been in school, so today, if today is the first day, then that means that we have been in school for 1 day. So when we get to this slide, we are going to show in the side of the 10 frame. This is called a 10 frame. And a 10 frame is one way that we can represent or show a number. So we're going to show how many days we've been in school. So for each day, we're going to add a little circle inside the 10 frame. And we'll also add one of these for each day. So we've only been in school for 1 day, so we're just going to represent the number 1. Very good. Okay, and since today is the first day of school, I thought it would be great for us to also make that number 1, to be our number of the day. So every day we're going to look at a number, or every other day. We might focus on the same number for a couple of days, but every day we're going to look at a number and we are going to show it inside of the 10 frame. So this is called a 10 frame. And we're also going to talk about what number comes after it and what number comes before it. So we're going to practice doing that. And then this is a number bond. We're not quite yet ready to talk about number bonds, so we're not going to look at this one yet, okay? So let's go ahead and let's look at our number. Our number of the day is the number 1. So I can find the number 1 on my number line. So this is called a number line. And if you notice, it's another way to represent a number. So can you find the number 1 on the number line? If you can find it, can you point to it and touch it with your finger? Here it is, right here. And I will have to move this little dot to the number 1 to show that this is the number 1 on the number line. Very, very good. So let's look at it. So I moved one apple here to represent 1. So how many apples do we need to represent 1? 1. Very good. Like I said, we're not going to focus on the number bonds yet. So let's look over here. Let's look down here. So we're going to look at the number 1. What number comes after the number 1? So when we're counting, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number comes after number 1? The number 2. Very good. What comes before? What comes in front of number 1? What number is this? If you know your numbers already, then you know that this is the number 0, right? 0 means nothing. Good. So 0 comes before, then you have 1, and 2 comes after. Very, very good. And before we leave for calendar time, we're going to be meteorologists. So a meteorologist is a person who studies the weather, and they know everything about the weather. So we are going to track it. So over here we've got sunny, we've got partly sunny and cloudy, cloudy, windy, and rainy. So what is the weather outside? Take a moment and go look outside and see what is the weather like. What is the weather like? Tell somebody. If you said sunny, I looked outside and I saw some sunshine shining through my window, then you are right. It is a sunny day. So if it's a sunny day, we're going to drag this yellow dot here or yellow rectangle here to represent sunny. If it's partly cloudy, we'll put another one. We'll drag one here. We're going to track to see how many days are sunny, how many days are partly sunny, how many days are cloudy, windy, and rainy. Very, very good. So that is the end of our calendar time. I hope that you enjoyed spending some time with me this morning. We will add more to our calendar time, but I cannot wait to see you guys today, and I hope that you have a great first day of school.